I'm Chef Ian, and today we're going to talk about the differences in beef. In particular, grass-fed versus grain-fed. So in this Delicato series, we'll be learning how to select, portion, season and cook our beef. It's not about the most expensive cut, it's about choosing the right cut for you. Grass-fed and grain-fed beef differ primarily in their diet and consequently in their nutritional profile. This is a grass-fed beef from Delicato. It's raised on pasture. It is generally leaner, full of omega-3s, has a grassy, earthy flavour, has a slightly firmer texture, so when you're cooking it, you want to be nice and gentle and delicate to avoid it drying out. The flavour can be more distinct, sometimes earthy, gamey due to a natural diet. Texture may be a bit firmer and potentially chewier if not cooked properly. They require a little bit more attention to avoid drying out, especially when using a high heat. And what about grain-fed beef? Raised on pasture, finished on grain, it's highly marbled, it has a buttery, sweet flavour, and due to a grain-based diet, they're generally more tender and juicy due to the marbling. Often preferred for quick cooking methods like grilling, searing, due to its fat content. Secondary cuts will shine in more marbled grain-fed beef due to that fat going through the layers. It's nutritionally good for you, and it's absolutely delicious. And now for the Wagyu, highly marbled. Just have a look at how good that is. It's going to have a beautiful flavour, and when you cook it, you just know it's going to be really special. Delicato's Wagyu stands out because it's 400-day grain-fed. It has unmatched marbling. It's hormone and antibiotic-free. It has an exceptional flavour, and because it's premium quality, it will elevate the everyday meal into a special occasion.